Hello learners, welcome to Summarize and Memorize. This video is for anyone who study chemistry. Guys, just look at my wallpaper. Periodic table is of utmost importance in chemistry. Now you might be feeling like what's new in this? So let me show you. If I click on any atom, I get the structure, atomic number, atomic mass, and the number of electron in each orbit. Don't you think this is cool? And not only this, if I click on alkali metal, that gets highlighted. Similarly, the rest. I think this will be super amazing for anyone who want to learn the periodic table. Now I'm sure that even you guys also want this kind of wallpaper in your PCs and computer. All you have to do is go to your search bar, type Microsoft Store, and then search the lively wallpaper from the search button. Install the app and then launch it. After that, you just have to open the app and this is how it will look like. Now it has four icons. One is the help one. This is the default live wallpaper out of which I choose this periodic table. Now if you want your own kind of lively wallpaper, it can be any GIF, video, anything. Click on the browse and then select whatever video you want. So I got the preview of how my wallpaper will look like. I have to click on OK and it's done. So happy watching this, then do subscribe to now, and I would love to know your feedback of this video in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.